Hello everyone, how to use emoji in Windows 11. Actually, there are two ways that you can go ahead and use emojis in Windows 11. So I'm going to type in this document. So in order to access the emojis, firstly we can use the keyboard shortcut that we have in mind. The keyboard shortcut is the Windows key plus dot. When you press that, it's going to open the emoji dialog box. So as you can see, it has all kinds of the emoji, and aside from that, you can see it has been divided into different categories, as you can see. Also, you can search for an emoji that you have in mind. For instance, you can just simply search for cat and you will notice that it has appeared just like that. There is the car, there is the other details. So this is the simplest method that you can simply go ahead and use emoji or access it. Remember, the keyboard shortcut is Windows plus dot. Now, okay, the other method is using the virtual keyboard. So firstly, let's go ahead and enable the virtual keyboard. Right click on the taskbar, click taskbar settings, and now from here you can see there is the touch keyboard. You have to select on this option and select always. So as you can see, now the touch keyboard icon has now appeared. Okay, for the next step, all you have to do is just simply press on it and it's going to open the virtual keyboard. And now you can see here is the icon of the emojis. All you have to do is just simply click on that and you can see that all of the emojis are now appeared here. So you can just simply go ahead, search for emoji or simply use them the way you like it. So this is the simplest method that you can simply go ahead and use emojis in Windows 11. So I hope that this was helpful to you. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.